Hey, welcome to this channel. My name's Oliver, and today we're gonna talk about another strategy, and we're gonna start today with $10 instead of one. Last time we started with $1 and trading with binary options on Quotex. Today is gonna be Quotex, and we're gonna trade with a different indicator, and we're gonna try a little bit different style with this indicator. So bear with me. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, like and comment if you like the content, and don't forget about the description to this video. It has the link to Quotex, the trading platform that I use, and also it has a Telegram group where you can find all the useful information and signals, indicators explained. It's just full of useful information, so check this out, and let's start with the video. So if you follow the link in the description, you're gonna find yourself on the platform called Quotex, obviously, and here we are. We're gonna go and start with $10 today, 1 minute time period, and yeah, we're gonna see what we can make, how far we can get today, because the other day was pretty crazy. So, and basically we're gonna use today a different indicators. The indicator is MACD. So we're gonna go with this put option for now, and see the idea here is that we have the MACD indicator. That's basically the indication is that it had 2 in a row the candles, and the price was outside of the chart of the candles that you see here. So I mean, more onto, you know, about the indicators is obviously it's another video, just explanations of the indicators, so make sure to check those out on our channel. And another thing is the Telegram group contains a lot of this information, so make sure to check that out as well. And we had a profit here, guys, so that's pretty good. We had 8.90 of the profit just now, so it's 89% of the profit. So we're gonna go with $18 now, and we're gonna go with 30 seconds instead. So as I said, this is a shorter one, and we're gonna go with the call option. It's very short, so bear with me. It's so now that we had a three candles, as you see in the MACD, 3 candles are red. Basically, I'm thinking that the price should be going up. This is very volatile, and as you can see, it's really volatile. And here we have the profit, but it was very risky, right? So this was a hasty decision. So we're gonna go with $34 now, because we made okay, so with another put option here, so basically these, you know, it's for 30 seconds as well. So this tactic is a bit more hasty, a bit more risky, and you would need proper intuition for this. Like, not intuition, but apart from the intuition, it is built on knowledge of the technical analysis. We just had a profit, guys. Right now we have $65 already. We started with 10, so we're gonna go with $65 now, and we're gonna put it there, 65, and we're gonna go I'm gonna check another currency. So here, yeah, probably here is a good point. You see, oh, it actually, probably we're gonna go with the put option here, although we see clear head and shoulders there, and I think it's a put option. Actually, maybe it's a put option for longer time, but not for that short period. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the call option because it's too short. Like if I was going for a few minutes, 3 minutes, I would go with a put option. But right now I'm gonna go with the call option because it's only 30 seconds, and this is it. This is the tactic, basically. Knowing some technical analysis, even some basic one, you build your intuition to go in short positions like this, to trade in short positions. We just had a profit, obviously. I've switched to 1 minute because it's just too short, right? And we need, now is the money is different, so 124. We need a bit more like stability here, so we're gonna go with 1 minute, and let's have a look. As I was saying, I would probably go for a put option if it's a longer period of time, because I'm gonna check different patterns here, different currency. That's not a bad one. That should go up. That should be a call option here. Yeah. So looking at the MACD, I mean, it's tricky. This one is tricky. I'm not sure. Put option here, guys, because I just seen on the MACD, it's similar to stochastic oscillator, the two lines, you know, the basics of it, because the green line just crossed the orange line down. That means the price would be going down. So this was the idea behind this, and it was 1 minute. So, but again, in longer periods, so if it was like 5 minutes, I would go for a call option here, because the price is dropping significantly. It's going in the lower, so in the section where it's oversold. You know, the price is going down. So in a longer period of time, the price would start catching up because people would start buying the thing. So we just had a profit here, $234. People would start buying the cheaper currency actions, you know, stock actions. Okay, so we have the 234. We're gonna put that 230 even, and this one's looking good. So right here, I look at for 1 minute, I look at the call option. Although I don't like these candles next to each other like this. As you can see, the price was going significantly lower in, so yeah. Let's go for we're gonna go with the put option because I don't think the price has still yet to be going up, because you see it did not cross. So the green line back there, it crossed the orange line down, and the price was going down most of the time, and it's still yet not to, it didn't cross it back. So if that green line would cross it back up, then we would suggest that the price would be going up. Yeah, so right now I don't really see that. It can happen any moment, obviously, but at 1 minute I think we have time. Let's see. Yes, and we have $439 now, 443 in total there. So we're gonna put 440, and we're gonna go, I want to go to probably a different currency, because this is pretty tricky. Otherwise we wait for the green line to start crossing. Oh, it just dropped. So maybe that's where it will start going up. I'm gonna check this one here. And what do I see here? I'm in a similar situation here. So the price, yeah, very similar situation here. The price started going down and it's spent quite a while. I mean, I would go for a call option here, I think. I just went for a put option, guys. Again, because 1 minute is not enough time for it to go back up for the price, I think. Although look, it starts going up a little bit, but there you are, it starts going down again. So again, I usually like, because this is short positions trading with binary options, then you know you gotta take to keep even in mind that it's very short period. 1 minute is very short, 30 seconds, 1 minute is very short, and you know the patterns, they need time, the chart needs time. So to go back up from this position, it needs a bit more time, same as with the other currency as I was showing. See, we got a profit here, 826 already. So we started with 10 bucks and we already almost made, well, almost, it's basically it's 80x, you know, right? So even 80, 81. Right, I don't like these candles next to each other like this, so I'm gonna go with 800. The two, maybe we do a 2 minute one, yeah. So because, as I said, you know, we need a bit more time for the, oh look, you see what happens? As I was saying, the price went down and then as soon as it crossed up, so we're gonna go with a call option here. So you see, this is what I was explaining, that the green line on the MACD indicator went down a while ago, right? And the price was going down. Now it needs time to cross back. It crosses back the orange line, crosses it up, and that's the indication. That's how the indicator works, basically. And so MACD is like a stochastic oscillator, basically, but it's a bit. It also has the candles there that also give us a bit of a hint what's going on. So you see when it crossed the green line, crossed the orange line, you see the candles started going inverted. As you can see, this is also an inverted. If you look at the chart completely, like, there's a lot of technical analysis technique, but if you would look at the chart, it's also could be explained just looking at the chart. And I bet we need some videos looking at the, you know, studying the charts, looking at the charts, reading the information of the actual chart and then you would understand the indicators even better. So right now it's very close. I mean, it's very tricky, but I hope we can pull this one off. Yes, guys, we just had $1,512 profit. So we have 1,538 on our balance. We're gonna go with 1,000, which is maximum on here, and we're gonna, right. So you see, the thing is, with the indicator, we're gonna go back to 1 minute and 1,000. With this indicator, you just you know, read the indications basically, but also if you can Oh, I'm gonna put this option on, a put option, because right now, so you see this. So if you would look again, if you would look at the chart, this is like an inverted, kind of inverted triangle thing, which means that the peak here, it will be going down, it will be going down in a sec. Again, this is because before that you had the, you had the head and shoulders there, a pattern, and this might not mean a lot to you, but there are different pattern names that exist, that repeat all the time in trading and investing. There you go, guys. We had $1,910 profit, and we're gonna go with probably a couple of options now, because you can put 2 options at a time if you have enough funds. You can put as many as 6. We can that's not looking too hot. Let's check another one. Oh, this one here. Oh, it's gonna, you see this pattern, it's about to cross the orange line. The green line is about to cross the orange line, I think. Let's go in here. We're gonna go with a 2 call options. So the price, you see, it has the indication that it will be going up. The green line is about to cross. You can see it's turning itself up. It can be tricky, but we have a minute for that. We have a minute that, if it was like for 10 minutes, then that doesn't make sense, or 5 minutes is a long time. 1 minute in this case is a good time. There you go. You see, it's getting there, and we just had a profit from this, guys. We just had a profit, $4,268 on our balance, just from $10. You can see this is the strategy. It's a combination of different time frame, and it's basically we chose a few different time frames, like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, depending on the situation. So you really need to know some technical analysis. For that, don't forget about this Telegram group in the description to this video. Join the group and you'll receive a lot of useful information there for your own trading. If you're new, especially if you're intermediate, also there's always some useful information. Make sure to check that out. Also, the link to Quotex is in the description as well, and along with the description of what we've done today, just to sum up. So guys, this has been a really great session as well. We started with $10 and we reached $4,200 plus, so it was really significant profit. It all was done in under 20 minutes. So if you know technical analysis, if you know how to work with binary options, with trading, with indicators, so yeah, make sure to subscribe. Don't forget about likes, comments. If you have any questions, suggestions, I'll see you all next time. Good luck and goodbye.